Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Google Analytics Tracking ID. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website's traffic and behavior. And the tracking ID is a crucial part of it. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. This will give you a unique tracking ID, which is a string of numbers that identifies your website in Google Analytics. The tracking ID is usually in the format of UAXXXXXX, where the X's are numbers. You need to add this tracking ID to your website's code, usually in the header or footer section, so that Google Analytics can collect data from your website. There are several ways to add the tracking ID to your website, including using a tag management system like Google Tag Manager, or by manually adding the Google Analytics code to your website's HTML. Once you have added the tracking ID to your website, you can start tracking various metrics such as page views, bounce rate, and conversion rate. You can also set up goals and events to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or button clicks. To get the most out of Google Analytics, it's essential to set up views, which allow you to filter and analyze data for specific parts of your website. You can also use segments to analyze data for specific groups of users, such as those from a particular country or device type. Best practices for using Google Analytics Tracking ID include ensuring that the tracking ID is correctly installed on all pages of your website, and that you are tracking the right metrics for your business goals. You should also regularly check your Google Analytics account for any errors or discrepancies in the data. In conclusion, using Google Analytics Tracking ID is a straightforward process that can help you gain valuable insights into your website's traffic and behavior. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of Google Analytics and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence.